Meet David Corenswet, an American actor best known for his roles in Netflix's The Politician in Hollywood. After studying at Juilliard, he starred in Pearl and Look Both Ways and gained attention for his role in HBO's We Own This City. Now, he's set to take on the iconic role of Superman in Superman Legacy, 2025. Let's take a look at the exercise routine that helped him build his superhero physique. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Overview of the training program. Duration. David began his training approximately 5 months before filming started, allowing ample time for muscle gain and conditioning. Frequency. He typically trains 3 to 4 times a week, with each session lasting around 2 hours. This frequency allows for adequate recovery while maximizing muscle growth. Training split. The workout routine follows a classic push-pull leg split, which is effective for targeting different muscle groups while ensuring balanced development. Detailed workout breakdown. 1. Push day. Focuses on the muscles involved in pushing movements, primarily targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Incline dumbbell press. 4 sets of 10 repetition. This exercise emphasizes the upper chest, helping to create a fuller look. Bench press and cable fly superset. 4 sets of 10 repetition each. Combining these 2 exercises enhances overall chest development and adds variety. Seated overhead shoulder press and lateral raises superset. 4 sets of 10 repetition each. This superset targets the shoulders from different angles, promoting width and strength. Reverse tricep extensions and bicep curls superset. 4 sets of 10 repetition each. Focusing on both triceps and biceps ensures balanced arm development. Leg day. Focuses on building strength in the lower body, which is essential for overall athleticism and balance. Squats and lunges superset. 4 sets of 10 repetition each. Squats are fundamental for leg strength, while lunges enhance stability and coordination. Leg press and calf raises superset. 4 sets of 10 repetition each. This combination ensures comprehensive leg development, targeting both quads and calves. Training philosophy. David's trainer emphasizes the importance of progressive overload, which involves gradually increasing weights or repetition to stimulate muscle growth. The focus is on mastering fundamental movements rather than relying on flashy exercises. Key principles include full range of motion, ensuring that exercises are performed through their complete range to maximize effectiveness. Negative repetition, incorporating slow eccentric movements to enhance muscle engagement. Tracking progress, keeping detailed records of weights lifted and repetitions performed to ensure continuous improvement. Challenges and adaptations. Even with a strong commitment to training, David faced challenges. For instance, he expressed a dislike for lunges but recognized their importance in his routine. This highlights a common aspect of fitness, pushing through discomfort to achieve goals. As filming approached, David's training frequency increased to about 5 days a week to ensure he reached peak condition. His regimen was flexible enough to adapt based on his progress and any additional physical demands from stunt work or choreography. Conclusion. David Corenswet's exercise routine exemplifies the dedication required to prepare for a role as physically demanding as Superman. By focusing on compound movements, maintaining a structured training split, and adhering to principles of progressive overload, he successfully transformed his physique into that of an iconic superhero. This rigorous approach not only prepared him for the role but also set an inspiring example for fans looking to embark on their fitness journeys.